What's up, everybody? Adolf here at Harley-Davidson with the bike of the week. This right here is our 2020 Lowrider in Billiard Red. This classic 70 style is going to be equipped with a 107 cubic inch motor. It's all the chrome you can want for the most part. We have mag wheels with a classic softail lines, re-innovated lightweight design. This bike also has high performance racing style cartridge forks, high performance rear monoshock, and that signature LED lighting. Let's start this bike up and see how she sounds. Alrighty guys, come check this bike out at Harley-Davidson, located in Bernie, Texas, the gateway to the hill country. See you then.